Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the helmet mold size explanation. To ensure the interchangeability of the mold cavities, our final helmet mold drawings were based on the following information you provided. 1. The drawings you provided for the EPS filling gun plate and 2 pieces of cavities plates. Based on our understanding, we need to proceed with creating the 3D mold drawings under these 2 prerequisites. 2. External dimensions of single cavity, 330 by 380 millimeters. 3. The distance from both sides of the cavity to the cavity center, 330 by 380 millimeters divided by 2 equals 165 by 190 millimeters. After drawing based on this information, we conducted multiple measurements of the cavity dimensions to ensure accuracy. However, we noticed that the dimensions in the drawings you provided later differ from the previous ones, specifically, dimensions in question. External dimensions of single cavity, 326 by 382 millimeters. Distance from both sides of the cavity to the cavity center, 326 by 382 millimeters divided by 2 equals 163 by 191 millimeters. These dimensions are inconsistent with the dimensions in your previous drawings, 165 by 190 millimeters, so we believe there may be a conflict in the drawing dimensions. This raises questions about the marked distance from both sides of the cavity to the filling gun hole center, 186.98 millimeters. Our dimensions. Based on the correct screw positions from your EPS filling gun plate and 2 pieces of cavity plate drawings, we have drawn the following dimensions. Distance from filling gun hole center to both sides of the cavity, 186.55 millimeters times 164.72 millimeters. The distance from the filling gun hole center to both sides of the cavity is crucial. Even a small discrepancy between 186.98 millimeters and 186.55 millimeters could prevent proper installation of the filling gun. Please verify if our drawings are correct. If you believe there are issues with our dimensions, please provide a complete drawing without dimensional conflicts. If you find our dimensions acceptable, then we will proceed with production based on the final drawings.